what a shame. Wow, that's an ugly mess. Do you know what happened? Suicide. Picked up the gun and... Really? Oh my gosh, what happened? We heard gunshots in here. Oh, wow. Well, you need... See, it's really simple. You just picked up this gun and went... My twin brother! What happened? Well, he picked up this gun and went... Yeah? My twin brother! What happened? Well, you see, all he did was he picked this up and then he put it to his head and then he picked this gun up and then he just shot himself. How irresponsible. What the heck happened here? Well, simple. He picked up the gun and... Wait, no, that's not right. Crazy coons. All of them died. What happened? No!